It's always raining when you come to my house. Unlock the door when you come to my house. We like to sing when you come to my house. It's always raining when you come to my house. I like the sound of the rain on the window. I like to dance when you sing it so low. It's so much fun when we get together, even if it's always stormy weather. Do you think you might stay the night? We can stay up till the morning light. We'll watch the lightning while we stay inside. In the morning, Mom can give you a ride. It's still raining when you left my house. Unlocked the door when you left my house. We got to sing before you left